Hello one and all. Welcome back to Rupa Ganesh channel of English. Myself Rupashri. Dear pupils of 10th standard, I hope by now you're well prepared for the examination. Isn't it? So, to check your own readiness, I suggest you to have this online examination. Right? So, before starting to watch this video, you take a carbon copy of the OMR prescribed by KSEEB so that you can go on shading for the right option, that is the correct choice, as I read the questions in this question paper. Yeah, of course you must have a blue or black ballpoint pen to do so. So, shall we start? Are you ready? Fine. All the best. Yeah, at the beginning you will be having the instructions. So read the instructions carefully. 4 choices are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. Yes, dear pupils, you all know already this exam will be for 40 marks. That is, there will be 40 multiple choice questions in this paper. Do you all know? English question paper begins with the question number 41 and not 1. Okay, let's start. See the first one, that is the 41st question. Could you please lend me 1000 rupees? Could you please lend me 1000 rupees? The language function of this sentence is. Your options are option A, advice, option B, suggestion, option C, request, option D, apologizing. Yes, think over. If you want, you read the sentence once again. And what is the language function of this sentence? You have to select the right option, whether it is A, B, C or D, and shade in your OMR correctly. Okay, hoping you have finished. If you want, you can pause the video and complete it. I am here to read the 42nd question now. The word which collocates with swift is. The word which collocates with swift is. Your options are like this. Option A, bag. Option B, dance. Option C, escape. Option D, action. So you have to select the right word which collocates with swift. Think over and correctly shade the right option. Question number 43. The word which has 2 syllables is. In the following options, you have to select the word which is having 2 syllables. Are you ready? Your options are like this. Option A, watery. Option B, change. Option C, check. Option D, mother. You utter the words once again. Check out each word's syllables, how many syllables each word is having, and select the word which is having 2 syllables. I hope you all are doing fine. Question number 44. Rohan is preparing coffee. The passive voice of the above sentence is. I repeat, Rohan is preparing coffee. So this is the sentence. For this, you have to give the passive voice. Your options are like this. Option A, coffee was prepared by Rohan. Option B, coffee is being prepared by Rohan. Option C, coffee was being prepared by Rohan. Option D, coffee is prepared by Rohan. Yes, try to recall all the rules while changing the sentence from active voice to passive voice. I hope you remember. Subject becomes object, object becomes subject. Yes, by preposition should be added. V3 form of the verb should be there. Yes, I am helping you, but there will be no one to help you in the final exams. Okay, so yeah, I hope you have selected the right option. Yes, moving on to the next question. Question number 45. Mr. Vishwas is an officer. Mr. Vishwas is an officer. He dash go to office by bus. Okay, verb is given in the bracket. What you have to do is the correct tense form of the verb to be filled in the blank is. So how do you change that? Go should be changed into, is it option A, goes, or option B, went, option C, going, or option to go. Okay, I'll move to the next one. Yes, dear students, if you want, you can pause the video and think over the right option. Question number 46. The appropriate prefix to form the opposite of comfort is. You have to select the right prefix. Means the word which comes before the, means the letters which comes before the word. Is it option A, un, option B, non, option C, in, option D, this. So which suits correctly to the word comfort? Question number 47. Joseph is a handsome boy. Joseph is a handsome boy. D silent over there. The parts of speech of the underlined sentence is. So you have to select the parts of speech, which is the correct parts of speech of the underlined word. Which is the underlined word? Handsome. Okay. So is it option A, adjective, option B, adverb, option C, noun, option D, interjection. So select the right one. Question number 48. The cricket match was dashed due to bad weather. You have to fill in with the correct phrasal verb. Which is the phrasal verb you have to fill in? Option A, called on. Option B, called by. Option C, called in. Option D, called off. You have to know the meanings of each and every phrasal verb to write the select one, to select the right option. Okay. Question number 49 is like this. Siddhappa is richer than any other man in the village. Siddhappa is richer than any other man in the village. So what is the superlative form of this sentence? So that is the question. You have to select the superlative form of this sentence. Your options are like this. Option A, Siddhappa was the richest man in the village. Option B, Siddhappa is the richest man in the village. Option C, Siddhappa is the most richest man in the village. Option D, Siddhappa will be the richest man of village. Okay. Question number 50. If I had been invited, I dash attended the marriage. Attended the marriage. The correct words to be used to complete is. Is it A, will have, B, won't have, C, wouldn't have, D, would have. Okay, select the right one. Question number 51. They are clever. The appropriate question tag to be used is. They are clever. That is the sentence. You have to select the correct question tag. Option A, are they? Option B, aren't they? Option C, do they? Option D, don't they? Okay. 52. European was very much impressed by Indian culture. The appropriate set of articles to be filled in the blank is. So option A and the. Option B, and the. Option C, the a. Option D, a and. Think properly. First one, it's an exceptional case. So be very careful. Next, question number 53. Bharat comes an affluent family. You have to select the right preposition. Okay. So what will be that? Option A, in. Option B, with. Option C, from. Option D, by. Yes. The next question. Question number 54. My mother is strict. My father is lenient. The conjunction to be used here or to be added here is option A, and. Option B, or. Option C, but. Option D, though. Okay. 55. Question number. Rupa reads quickly and she retains the . The correct form of the word to be filled in the blank is option A, information. Option B, informing. Option C, to inform. Option D, informingly. Question number 56. The dash of the letter contains the written communication, messages or purpose. The dash of the letter writing you all know, isn't it? In which part of the letter it contains, that is communication or messages, or for what purpose we are writing the letter. Option A, salutation. Option B, body. Option C, subscription. Option D, superscription. Question number 57. No wonder he wanted to sleep before I could return. Clever boy. Here clever boy refers to, okay, by now you have come to know that. Till now it was the questions related to grammar up to 56. From 57 the questions will be related to content. Here it is from the prose, from the first lesson. So who does the clever boy refers here? Is it option A, Anant? Option B, Satish? Option C, Swami? Option D, the village lad? Yes. Question number 58. Swami decided to sleep under the bench because. Why did he take such a decision? Is it option A, it was his habit? Option B, he felt it was a safe place? Option C, he has no other place? Option D, he kept his books on the bench? Question number 59. Swami always used to sleep beside his dash in the passage. Is it option A, uncle? B, mother? C, granny? D, father? Question number 60. Please help me take her to hospital. Here the speaker sought the help from. From whom is he expecting the help? Yes. Option A, it is passengers, or B, commuters, C. Motorist, D. Railway employee. Question number 61 is like this. Baleshwar did not agree to take Roma to Airoli because. Option A. Tempo truck driver did not agree. Option B. He had not informed Roma's family members. Option C. Airoli was at least 10 kilometers away. Option D. He had no faith in COP. He had no faith in COP. Sorry, P is missing over there. Question number 62. Yes, I admit that, he said. Here the speaker's admission is that. Option A. Americans are good people. Option B. The trees belong to children of Rio and Medio. Option C. He is wrong. Option D. Americans are the owners of the land and the trees. So we have to decide who does I refers to. What was he admitting? Think over and select the right one. Question number 63. We have made a discovery. The result of discovery was. What was the effect of that discovery? Option A. Americans were ready to give the double amount. Option B. Americans were ready to cancel the deed. Option C. Americans were ready to honor narrator. Option D. Don Anselmo owns the double land. So what was the result of that discovery? You have to decide. Question number 64. Don Anselmo sold his land but he did not sell the. What he did not sell? A. Birds. B. House. C. Creek. D. Trees. Question number 65. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar raised brick by brick the magnificent edifice in the Constitution of India. Here edifice refers to A. Social justice. B. Oppression. C. Fundamental rights. D. Powers of legislative. Okay. If you are thorough with the lesson Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, then you can answer it well. 66. There are only two castes in the world, namely the charitable who give and the misers who do not. This was said by. Whose dialogue or quote is this? Option A. Buddha. Option B. Gandhiji. Option C. Mahatma Phule. Option D. Avai. Question number 67. It's the chance of lifetime. Here chance refers to A. Attend sitar classes. B. Represent school in table tennis tournament. Option C. Attend Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert. Option D. Visit Bombay. Question number 68. By performing for Anant in his house, both Pandit Ravi Shankar and Ustad Allah Raka proved. What did they prove? They both were musical wizards, that they were craving for popularity, that they were simple and generous, that they were ready to please Smita. Think and answer. Question number 69. Satish was taught pronunciation and words, means all those pronunciation, how to use the words, was taught by A. Surender, B. Inder, C. Avatar Narayan, D. Mohan. Question number 70. You want to do this badly, don't you? Here this refers to option A. Reading, option B. Calligraphy, option C. Painting, option D. Writing. What does this refer to? Yes, dear children, till now we were discussing the questions related to prose. Now it is from poem from 71 to 78. Are you all ready for that? Yeah, see the 71st question. Grandma was happier in a tree than in a or an. A. Lift. B. Aeroplane. C. City. D. Bungalow. Question number 72. Yes, it is also from the same poem. The grandma climbs a tree. The poet Ruskin Bond calls his grandmother a genius because. Why did he call his grandmother a genius? A. She could ride a bike. B. She could climb trees. C. She could swim. D. She could do rope walk. Yes, you might have felt bad that, oh, we have memorized the poem so well and they're not asking for writing quote from memory. Anyhow, see, here is a question for as a substitute for that, right? That is, it blisseth dash. The appropriate option to complete this line of the poem is. So complete the line of that poem, which is the right part for you to complete it. Option A, him that gives and him that takes. Option B, mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. Option C, as the gentle rain from heaven. Option D, of mercy is not strained. Question number 74. Which of the following is not a symbol of earthly power? A. Sceptre. B. Mercy. C. Throne. D. Crown. Yes, you might have come to know these two questions are from the poem Quality of Mercy. Yes, next it is from Song of India. Question number 75. Querulous, I said, is there no song I can sing of you? Here the poet is querulous because. Option A, Mother India objected his song. Option B, Mother India did not listen to him. Mother wanted him to write about only prophets. Mother India wanted the poet to write in Tamil. Question number 76. A heroic poem in narration is called as a or an sonnet, B. ballad, C. novel, D. epic. Question number 77. Preaching it with words. This is from, yes, Jazz Poem 2 poem, right? Here it stands for A. Flower, B. Saxophone, C. Gospel, D. Sitar. Question number 78. You talk dash. The appropriate option to complete this line is. Yes, it is from the Blind Boy poem, isn't it? Option A. Of wondrous things you see. B. Which I must never enjoy. C. My cheer of mind destroy. D. Or make it day or night. Yes, till now it was from poem. Now last two questions are from supplementary reading. Question number 79. There was no slogans and no violence in students' protest in Narayanpur incident. This shows that students' march was A. Usual, B. Provocative, C. Active, D. Unusual. Last but not least, question number 80. Hanif would often go out of his way to help people because. Why did he want to help people? A. That gave him a certain kind of joy. B. He wanted to please his other friends or any person. C. He wanted to be popular. D. He wanted to join the army. Yes, dear pupils, till now you have shaded all the right options, I hope. So to check yourself, to have self-evaluation, here is the key answer. Okay. Yes, I hope you can see the key answer. Compare and contrast, self-evaluate. You are having the OMR shaded by you, and here are the key answers. Definitely don't forget to share your score in the comment box, and also don't mind if you have scored less. Put more effort to get more and more marks. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for taking this online exam. If you feel it was useful, please do share with your friends. And also don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all.